So the truck is up in the air, wheels and tires are off, and it is time now to do a little work, and we're going to start with the brakes. What we're going to use is the PowerStop Z36 Truck Tow Performance Upgrade Brake Kit. One of the things I love about this kit is it comes with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, which means it's going to have massive braking power.
I like the fact that when you order it, it comes with everything that you need. All right, so we got the rotors, right? They're zinc coated for corrosion resistance. They're drilled and slotted for cooling. You mentioned the pads. Those are great. You've got the brake lubricant, the stainless steel hardware, the dust boots. Everything that you need is right here. Now, think about this. You mentioned the fact, too, it's a big truck.
Yeah.
You want to be able to slow it down, whether you're pulling a trailer or not. You know, braking is something that a lot of people overlook, but it's one of the most important things about a vehicle.
All right, let's start getting the old stuff off.
Yeah, let's get it off.
Anytime you do the brakes, you need to make sure that you clean the hub surface itself. Not only will it keep the rust from transferring onto the new rotors, but it'll help with the brakes from shuddering. If not, if there's a run out on the rotor itself, you're going to start having issues, not only prematurely wear, but you'll get that shudder when you go step on the pedal. So make sure you clean the surface first before you damage the brake parts.
So when you start taking everything apart, you can get a look at everything. And we noticed there's nothing bad jumping out. The wear pattern looks fine. So basically, we can just start getting everything apart, getting it cleaned up. Wow. So the PowerStop kit comes with the highest quality brake hardware. This is the stainless steel brake clips, and a lot of people will overlook these, but it's a very important piece because that is what's holding the brake pad in place. So if that fails, the brake pad could shift, or you could get rattle, or it could cause any number of problems down the line. So you want to make sure you do not skip this step. When you put this bracket back on, you want to make sure that you torque it to factory specs. There we go. And all right. You want to use the brake lubricant on any surface that's going to rub against another surface. So we're going to put that right on the ends, right? And then this is the brake wear indicator. That's on the bottom. And we noticed that when we took off the stock one. So we're going to put those back in the exact same way. All right, front brakes are done. Now I think I will have Bruno handle the rear. He likes handling rears.
One of the unique things about this truck in the back is when I pull out this rotor, you'll see that it has a drum parking brake. Watch this. So right there, you'll see that these brakes aren't a wear item in terms of the drums. These are just made just to hold the vehicle in park. So while it looks like it's got thin material, that's really how these things are from the factory. So there's nothing to worry about here. They're not used on a daily basis, so they really don't get worn out over the course of time. So what we'll do now is put on the new rotors, and these are directional, so keep that in mind. And one of the nice things too, though, is that these go together very similar to the way the front ones do. They actually use the same caliper. So while I assemble these brakes, you guys can take a break. As we come back, we've got a lot more to do to this truck.